up Block Fam in the garage today, not the shop, just because, you know, we are kind of stressed for time right now. We've got somewhere else to be, so we're going to be working on the Raptor here in the garage. We've got a couple parts over here to install, which you've got on the lift already. Some parts from Roush. So here, which is going to be this video, we are installing the Roush cold air intake on the 6.2 liter 2013 Ford Raptor. And then next video you guys see here in the future at some point, we've got a full catback Roush exhaust system to install on it as well. We got West Depot, Face Nectar, bringing over the decibel meter. So we're going to test the before and after, the loudness of the stock airbox, just, you know, the engine noise up here. Because after you do change this, it does give it like a nice kind of grunt to it. So we're going to do a before and after decibel meter, which will give us an idea of that, but also the before and after for the exhaust, which is going to be the, I don't know, the best application for that. So you guys go give Wes a follow at Face Nectar. We also got Alan here, and Jess. Screen names right there on the screen. Screen names. It's dating myself, isn't it?
12 seconds later.
Handles, Instagrams, whatever. So, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Oh, also, hold on one second. Hey, bud.
What's going on, Flair?
What you doing?
Just like hitting bolts with good old juice.
Peanut butter blaster.
Oh, peanut butter blaster tastes good. No, ill.
So we got Eric, aka Bagger Bro, under here. He's doing some prep work for the exhaust.
It's gonna be tough, doggy.
Yeah, if you guys have never worked on exhaust, the bolts tend to seize up, so hitting it with some peanut butter blaster.
Peanut butter, Georgia clay.
Yeah, a lot of that Georgia red clay under here.
Yeah.
So that'll be, the next video, but he's just doing some prep work. So.
Yes.
Nothing to do with installing a cold air intake under here.
Nothing.
We'll leave.
Don't worry about that.
We'll leave Bagger Bro to it. Let's go ahead and get started on this thing. So, I guess let's unbox. We gotta pick out a unboxer from the wall over there. Since you guys are the guests, I'll let y'all choose. Going with the samurai sword. All right, whenever you're ready. 1, 2, 3. All right. Nice cut, sir. That sword is deadly. All right, so let's see what's in this box. I'm just gonna do one of these. All right, guys, there we go. We got it unboxed. So this is everything in the kit. Surprisingly, no instructions. Good job. So we've got filter, and then this piece basically bolts up, protecting the filter. This is going to, I would assume, go on the end of here. I think the instructions are online. There's also lots of how-to videos on this. We're just, you know, doing our own thing. Got some stickers and 2 little pieces of hardware here. And your little Roush ARB EO number. Yeah, okay, so now, Alan, we can start taking stuff apart.
Yay!
So, we're gonna be removing the stock airbox and the stock tubing. Should be pretty easy. We're also taking off the MAF sensor, and that's pretty much it. This is a pretty straightforward install, but apparently it makes a big difference. Gives you like up to 1 mile per gallon more, which is significant whenever, you know, you're getting like 12.5 miles per gallon. So that extra mile per gallon. It's dirty in here. I know, I need to clean it up. We even got like some Georgia red clay up in here. All right, the bolt here, and take off the hose.
Fun mess to make.
Right. All right. Let's see how dirty this thing is. Oh, it's actually not that bad. Right? That's surprising.
Want me to do it?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm one-handing it, bro. Alright guys, so the hardware that it came with, there was supposed to be some J-clips that went onto this here, so that you had something to tighten the bolts into, but it didn't, like the stock airbox didn't come with them, so we found some nuts there and put them on, tightening it down. So if you guys come across that issue, if you've got like a spare thing of, you know, bolts and nuts in your garage, like, more power to you. But yeah, that was our solution, little hang up, but yay, West found the nuts. Another thing that we kind of glanced over that Alan jumped ahead. Good job, Alan. We got the MAF sensor transferred from this one. So you basically, it's 2 screws here. Take those out, insert the MAF sensor into there. They say usually not to touch like the actual sensor part. So careful with that. And then just thread onto this one, super easy. And then that's gonna plug right back into right there. So yeah, at this point we got it all fitted on, tighten down your filter, and then we will get it hooked up to this hose here, or the tubing, which we've got indexed. As you guys can see, there's a little index mark right there to go to the manifold, and yeah, nice. So the cool thing about Roush is it's designed in collaboration with Ford, so bam, bolts right up.
Perfect.
You don't have to relocate anything in the engine bay. It looks much gooder. It'll breathe much gooder too. Right, Eric?
Yeah.
Sounds like the truck's talking to me. Right, Trucky?
Yeah.
Right.
So do this one first, and they'll all clip into the factory hardware perfectly. But if you do it opposite, it won't clip in.
That's funny. So start from the back clip and then work your way forward, and it'll work. Kind of like sandwiches it down. That's cool. All right. After that, tighten down your hose clamps and make sure you plug the MAF sensor back in.
Oh, and there's a little lock to it. Make sure it doesn't pop out on the bottom.
Okay.
Out on the side here.
Like your hand model.
That's right. Alan the hand model. The wife in the background says, "You got that wedding ring on, right?" Yes, the wedding ring is on. Proper clearance.
It looks like it. Looks like this thing was perfectly made.
It is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you design parts in collaboration with Ford, I guess. Good job, Roush. All right, guys, Wes is gonna crank it up. Stand up here, see what this thing sounds like. Let's give it a real quick.
Okay. Pretty cool. Sounds good.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's installing a Roush cold air intake for a Raptor. Sounds gooder, that's for sure. Hopefully we get that extra mile per gallon.
Come on now. Come on now.
Old and busted.
New hotness.
New hotness. Old and busted. New hotness.
Cat.
Bug ridden. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll report back to see what we get in terms of miles per gallon. Hopefully we get that extra MPG. We'll see. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Till next time, wrench safe, stay vigilant. Thanks everybody for the help. Appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.